Hello ladies, this video is just for you because I wanted to introduce my new autumn online training program, iStorm. iStorm is just for passionate business women who want to increase their online visibility and really grow their position as an expert in their field. So if you're someone who feels it's a little bit stormy out there on social media, you don't have complete clarity on your visual content, you don't feel very confident going in front of the camera, maybe talking to your audience, or maybe you want to deepen your connection by sharing more compelling content, then have a look at the iStorm program because it's going to give you all the help you need. If you click on the link and you enter the voucher code supplied, you will get a massive discount at the moment from me. So take the opportunity to get on board now and join the growing group of amazing women that have already joined, who are super supportive, and I can promise you we're going to have a lot of fun with it. Don't miss this opportunity to get more visible, to get out there, position yourself as an expert you want to be in your field, to stand out from your competition. Have a look at the link above, and if you have any questions, just email me on courses@vlogacademy.com. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.